This is a quick video just to show you how I use videos from images in Snagit. In this example, I was creating a video and in the script it was referring to global workforce. So I wanted a visual image to demonstrate that. So I found this stock image and I liked this one because it had quite a lot of white space and it also had the location pins. But the location pins were actually different colours. So I decided that I wanted to create an image. The location pins would pop at different times. Let me just show you what I created. Very simple, so it's just a movement of the globe with the location pins popping. To create that, let me take you into Snagit. So here we are inside the Snagit editor. You can see the original image with the colours, but I didn't want those colours. I wanted to use the client's branded colour. So what I needed to do was remove that colour. I used the fill tool, transparent, clicked on the location pin. And then once I did that, I saved that as a plain image with the plain background. And then I gradually started colouring in the location pins. So choosing whatever the branding colour was. In this example, I just used orange and filled in the location pins with the colour I wanted. So orange for that one, and then I would save that as an individual image, and then I would fill another one, save that as an image. So if I just show you at the bottom in my task tray, I have the original one. So this is the original image where the location pins have been removed colour. And then I've got an image with individually the different locations. So these are the 3 purple ones. And then I've done some orange ones. And then what I wanted to do was to create a little video from these. So I use these images and I use the create the video from images. These images are then linked together and they're put into a video. I'll just play that. What I then did was put this into Camtasia, and once in Camtasia I then added the animation to move it from the bottom of the screen higher and then sped it up as well. That's one of my examples from using Snagit, create a video from images.